Hello Story Chasers, this is Amber, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Verizon prepaid plan that came out last November that I'm doing a follow-up on. Now, you may already know that that plan is non-existent now, and I'm going to give you a solution as to what you can do now that that plan is actually gone, and I'm going to show you that in this upcoming video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amber, and I sold my house and everything I owned to start RVing about 2 years ago in May 2017. And a year later, I quit my job to focus on my business, which is this YouTube channel, and educating people how they can also afford a nomadic life and full-time travel. So if you like that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I come out with a video every single Thursday. So if you saw my video from November of 2018 when the prepaid Verizon plan came out, you will know what an amazing deal Verizon came out with, which was a unlimited, unthrottled plan. Now, it was network managed, but I decided the very first week that it came out to go ahead and test it for you guys and put a video out about that. And my findings were that it had worked really, really well. So when I heard that the Verizon program had completely gone away, I was truly shocked. I couldn't believe it, especially because I was just about to do a follow-up video on it to tell you how well it was working. I couldn't do that then because of them taking the program away. So here's the scoop, guys. The plan, it really is amazing. If you got on that plan during the time that they offered it, stay on the plan and pay your bill every single month because you're grandfathered in. If you didn't get on the plan, I'm very sorry to say that you can't get on the plan anymore. If you've seen any of my other videos where I talk about my Wi-Fi connection and how I stay connected on the road, everywhere from Mexico to the United States and Canada, then you'll know that I actually have 2 hotspots. And there's a reason for that. One is a AT&T hotspot, and the other one is my Verizon hotspot. Now, I was with Verizon prior to getting the Verizon prepaid. I actually had the postpaid version, but it was throttled at 15 gigs. So when that new plan came out, I jumped on it. And don't pay attention to the rubber band here. It's just to keep the back on. I busted it a couple of times and it came off. So I put this rubber band on so it stays on. You've heard me talk about my Verizon hotspot quite a bit, but I've not shared any information about my AT&T hotspot. That's one that I've been using for about 1.5 years now. And I haven't really said too much about it because it was through a third-party company. And when I found out what was going on with Verizon, I was like quickly scrambling thinking, okay, what can I do? What can I do? Because I've told everybody about this prepaid program with Verizon that's no longer available, and there's nothing out there right now that's comparable to it. So I quickly scrambled and contacted the third-party company that I was using for my AT&T hotspot and asked them, like, what can we do? Can we offer my viewers some different rates? What can we do to get them on a different program that is comparable to what the Verizon program was? So here's the deal, guys. I negotiated a rate with this company, especially for anybody who is watching this video and subscribes to Story Chasing. No data caps, no throttling, completely unlimited. A lot of people say that Verizon has a better network than AT&T, and I've heard that as well. I have not had any issues from the East Coast to the West Coast with my AT&T. Now, Verizon is stronger in some areas, but most of the time I'm using my AT&T. Even though I have the Verizon, I use it as a backup. So if you want a really great solution to have unlimited and unthrottled, which is really hard to come by, then this is a great solution for you with AT&T. Now, you can't get this plan directly through AT&T. You're gonna have to go through reliable internet. And I have a website link for you guys to go to. You can only get it through that link where I've negotiated those rates for you guys. So this plan is truly unlimited, truly unthrottled. I've had 0 issues with it since I've been on the road with it. It works everywhere I go as long as I have a cell connection. So I've tested it in rural areas and cities, and it just works. I have not had any issues. And that even is with streaming videos and movies and uploading all of my videos to YouTube. Like, it just works really, really well. So this is another option for you guys if you wanna go with AT&T. Now, the rate that I negotiate is going to be on the website, and it works in the United States. It does not work in Mexico and Canada. Let me reiterate that. It does not work in Canada and Mexico, only in the United States. So if you're going to those 2 countries, you need to make sure you find a different solution. But I'm in the United States 99% of the time, so it works for me in that way. So guys, if you want to take advantage of the negotiated story chasing rates, make sure you go ahead and click the link below. Now, I am going to disclose to you that I am an affiliate for this company. I just became an affiliate when I negotiated the rates for you guys. As you know, I only bring products or services to you guys if I use them myself and I truly, truly believe in them. And this is one that I really, truly believe in. I've also had other friends who I have referred to Reliable Internet, and they're on the same program that I am and really have loved being on it and have had the same experience that I have as well. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to go online and sign up for this program and get started as quickly as possible. And we have the page here you see. This is dedicated page for friends of story chasing, and we have an AT&T program and T-Mobile. Now you can pick and choose which one you want. The one we're talking about today is the AT&T program. So it's unlimited 4G LTE, use as much data as you want without worrying of any data caps or throttled speeds. So the plan is offered for story chasing viewers at a rate of $85 every 30 days, which is auto paid, and you'll be grandfathered into this plan. No price hike is enforced at all once you sign up. So that is a huge advantage. If you go ahead and get signed up now, there will be no price increase for you. That's like unheard of. So it also says that if you have any questions and you want to contact them directly, go ahead and do so, but make sure you mention story chasing as the promo code so that you can get the negotiated rate. They give the highlights of the program, and you just click on the button that says subscribe now. Once you get here, you will fill out all of your information, your email, your passwords. You'll select the pay automatically, whether you want the AT&T plan, which is $85, or the T-Mobile, which is $115. You'll put in your billing information and your payment information, and then your SIM card and device and IMEI number. So you can purchase the SIM card through them if you want. You will need to provide your own hardware though. They have said currently that the best hardware out there is the Nighthawk Hotspot. I don't have that one. This is, I think, a Unity. And I will provide a link to this as well. Also, we'll provide a link for the Nighthawk Hotspot, which is actually supposed to be far superior to this one. So if anybody gets on this plan, please leave me a comment below. I want to hear from you, and I want to hear how you're doing on the plan. Let me know if you're in cities or rural areas or what part of the country you're in, if it's working for you well, if it's not working for you well. So make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know what your experience has been like. Now, if I find out that there's anything that changes with this program, or Verizon happens to come out with another program, I'll let you know that too. I think you'll also like this video over here that talks more about how to stay connected as a digital nomad. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video.